The Save Documents form can be opened from the navigation toolbar by pressing the Save Documents button under All Forms. It can also be opened by pressing the Documents bar, then press the Save Documents button. And it's also accessible from the Data Files menu at the top of the screen. The Save Documents form provides access to documents that have been saved into the database. These documents can originate in the Create Documents form, where resolutions and other legal documents are created. When you start the Create Documents process, you select a company. When you exit, you're asked for a document title. So the document is saved by company and by document title. Documents can also originate in the word processor. You can create documents from scratch, or you can paste external documents into the word processor. When you exit the word processor, you're asked for the name of the company the document is to be saved for, and you enter title for the document. By using the word processor, nearly any document can be saved into the database. Let's open the Save Documents form. Notice that there's a date, category, and title for each document. You can view the documents for each company by selecting the Company tab at the top of the form. Or you can select the Navigation List button at the bottom of the form, then select a company. When there are a large number of companies, it can be much easier to use the Navigation List. The Navigation List is a long vertical list which makes it easier to view individual names, but you can also filter the list by the first letter of the company's name, and you can sort the list by company name or by record number. If you prefer to use the navigation list as opposed to the tabs, select the File menu, then Preferences and Navigation Lists, then checkmark Save Documents. There are options on the Save Documents form for filtering and sorting documents, as well as modifying document categories, and these are covered in another tutorial movie. There's also an option for emailing saved documents, and that also is covered in a separate tutorial movie. Let's open one of the documents. Just double-click the title and the document opens. You can modify, print, and save the document. All of the features of the word processor are available, so you can change the saved documents however needed. When you close a document, you're asked if you want to save, not save, or do a Save As. If you select Save As, you can save any changes you've made to the new document without affecting the original document. If you have a document that has been saved for one company, you can copy and save the same document for another company. Just open the document, then select and copy the entire document. I'm using Control-A to select the entire document, then Control-C to copy it. Now I'll open the word processor and paste the document. I'll make changes as needed, then close the document. When I close it, I'm asked which company it's to be saved for and the name of the document. Using this process, you can open documents in nearly any word processor, then copy and paste it into the application's word processor and save it to the database. The word processor will also open documents saved in a variety of formats. That concludes the tutorial for the Save Documents overview.